Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, and today is a video I am super duper excited about. Because it's one that is kind of like an original idea, I would like to say. So a lot of times I do these kind of like tag videos, but those are generally inspired by something that I would have seen some other YouTuber do. But this time I came up with this idea on my own because I've kind of been on this journey, I would say, end of 2020, beginning of 2021 onwards, where I've kind of tried to like cut down my collection, be really minimal when it comes to my skincare collection and like the products I'm using in my routine even at home. But specifically when I'm going out, so like say for the weekend, or if I'm going to a sleepover, like for a sleepover at my best friend's house, those are the times where I have to really cut down and try to use like multi-purpose products, like two steps in one routine, or like really think about what are the products I really need to be taking with me and to be using. And I've had a ton of samples, skincare samples, a lot of different products for a long time, but I have gradually just used up all of those samples on different sleepovers, different trips, etc. And now I don't have a lot of those, and I could buy them, but I think it's just wasteful. Like, you're getting a very small travel size amount or like a trial size amount for a product. It doesn't really make sense to like buy small samples, which is why I was like, you know what, I could just rather use like full size products, but like curate a routine with like certain multi-purpose products, I like to call them. And I will be doing a dedicated video on these multi-purpose products. But if I had to just curate a small routine and just carry like two or three travel size products, not travel size, sorry, two or three like multi-purpose full size products with me that would fit, which were the ones that I would take. So this was kind of a challenge that I gave myself. And let me show you this pouch. It's actually a pouch that I got from Plum. I got this free with one of my orders a long time back. So this has been with me for a while, and it actually doesn't look that bad. Doesn't look that like worn and torn or anything. But this is the bag that I always carry with me, in which I keep my skincare and a few makeup products as well. And all the full size products that I'm going to be talking about in this video basically completely fit in this, which I'm so happy about. So I'm going to be unboxing this, showing you all the products that are in here, and if I had to travel with just full size products, which were the products that I would carry, is what I'm going to tell you. But before I do that, I do want to like ask you that if like when you are in situations like these, which are the products that you travel with, and which are the really essential steps that you cannot skip in your routine even if you're like traveling. Do let me know. It would mean the absolute world to me, and I would like love to chat with you about it in the comments. And maybe something that you say might also inspire me, and I might like switch up things maybe inside this. So do let me know. But yeah, now we're gonna finally unbox this. I'm gonna take everything out of the pouch. Actually, you know what, for the sake of transparency, let me do it in front of you. Can you guess what this is? Can you can you tell me what is this? Do you recognize it? This one you've probably seen in a recent video, so you know what it is, but I'm showing you the piche ka side. This one you haven't seen for a long time on my channel, but I've had it for a very long time on my channel, and like in my collection, sorry, and thankfully it hasn't expired. And then this is the last product, and the pouch is empty and it's a little dirty from the inside, so I want to show you that. But this is the last product. These are 5 products, and let me tell you, 3 out of them are moisturizers. These 3 are moisturizers, and if I'm being completely honest, I don't really need all 3. So once we start talking, I will like explain to you why I have which one. So yeah, now let's get started, and let's finally so I'll basically talk you through my routine that I do when I am out, my morning skincare routine and my nighttime skincare routine, and then we'll discuss the steps. So yeah, now let's jump right into it. So let's start with morning skincare routine first. So in the mornings, typically when I am somewhere out, I wash my face, I do moisturizer and sunscreen. Those are really the important key steps for me, and I try to make sure that the moisturizer that I have has some sort of like actives in it, so I don't need to take a separate active serum and then moisturizer and then sunscreen again. So these are like my 4 key steps that I need to be doing in the morning. I need to have my cleanser, I need to have the actives in the moisturizer so we can cut down on that step, or what I would do is have a moisturizer with sunscreen, and then have like a separate like active serum. But I generally prefer having the actives in my moisturizer. That's what I personally tend to prefer, because most serums come in glass bottles, and though glass bottles sometimes feel like, they could break potentially. And the reason why I'm saying that is because this one, wait, am I covering it properly? Yeah, this one is also a glass bottle, but it doesn't feel like this would break even if I do travel with it. So yeah, for cleanser, for my morning cleanser, this is the one that I put in here. But if I'm being completely honest, this is not the one that I would probably travel with. What I was thinking is I would buy the Himalaya Oil Clear Lemon Face Wash in the 50 ml size, which is available. I've never bought it because I always just travel with like a travel size cleanser. But I could either use this if I just wanted to use something in my collection, and if I did not have the time to go and buy something, then I would just use this. But otherwise I could also travel with the 50 ml size of the Oil Clear Lemon Face Wash, which is another Himalaya cleanser that I love. So I would travel with either or. And yeah, it's really important for me to have a good morning cleanse, because when you're out, you're either going to have a sleepover and you're up all night and you're really kind of tired and exhausted, and you really want to wake yourself up because you haven't had enough sleep, or you just want to start your morning with a good refreshing cleanser. So that's why cleanser is very, very important to me. So yeah, that's the reason why I have this or the Himalaya Oil Clear Lemon Face Wash. Then moving on to my active base moisturizer that I would use in the morning. This is the Earth Rhythm Phyto Fuse Moisturizer. This is the new packaging, which I believe I haven't shown you, like this particular bottle. I had the older amber color bottle that I used to show you in my skincare routine, and that was my first bottle. This is the backup that I bought that I haven't started using yet, but I do have it. And if I have to travel, this is probably the moisturizer that I would take with me. Not because it's an active base moisturizer for daytime, but actually because this is a great active base moisturizer that I could use both in the morning and at night, and I would love it both the times. So if I'm going for like 2-3 days and I'm going to do like my morning skincare routine, my nighttime skincare routine as well, for a day or two, this is one that I could live with easily, and I could just take this with me. So yeah, for that I would love to have this. Now if I'm taking my active base moisturizer, what I would do is actually not have this with me, which I will talk about in a bit, but I would take a sunscreen with me. So any sunscreen, and I have a few sunscreens right now which I'm really enjoying, which are actually 50 ml sizes and not 100 ml sizes. So I could either take one of those, or I could take my favorite sunscreen, which was actually not a part of the pouch. So I'm cheating a little bit, but this is the Tricone not Radiant Skin, that's what the serum is called. This is the Tricone L-Glutathione Sunscreen Gel SPF 60. And even if I had to travel with like these three only, they would easily fit in this pouch, which I just want to quickly show you. If I just have to have these 4 products, it would easily fit, and there would be a ton of more space. Like I could even travel with a smaller size pouch, like if needed, because you can see this is not full. Like even with 4 full size products, this is not full. So I could do that, where I could take the active base moisturizer for morning and night, and then put in the sunscreen, and that's it. So then I would just have 4 products. But I did want to like again have options, because I know there are some times even where I'm just like, what, I don't really care about actives that much. So then I would take this, and this is what I have taken a lot of times, like not this tube. I actually have another tube which is like pretty much almost out, because this is the moisturizer that I always use whenever I'm going on sleepovers or traveling or anything. So I would just wash my face and then put on a moisturizer with SPF. This is the Plum Grapeseed and Sea Buckthorn Light Stay Day Cream with an SPF of 30, which I feel like is pretty good. Again, when I'm traveling, I don't want to skip my SPF. Definitely not. I would never skip my SPF. But again, it's one that, works really well, and this is one that I generally tend to use when I don't have any other active base like serums and stuff in my skincare routine, because then it can be a little bit difficult to put on top. So that's why I'll never use this when I'm at home, and mainly I use this whenever I am traveling or going out on a sleepover or whatever, family outing, anything like that. So yeah, I could do these 2 as well. That would like really cut down, but then we would have to add like additional products for the nighttime skincare routine, which I'll talk about. So this would be what my morning skincare routine would comprise of. And then for the night, I do typically wear makeup, at least a little bit of makeup when I'm, out as well. And for that, I definitely need to make sure that I had a makeup remover. And for makeup remover, I have this one. This is the Kiko Milano Pure Clean Gel, micellar gel, sorry. This is one that works as a makeup remover and a face wash. So my face wash that I love, which is the Body Shop Tea Tree face wash, I love that as my second cleanse face wash. So like second cleanse wala step. But if I have to really cut down, I would prefer taking this rather than taking a cleansing balm and taking that face wash. And again, the face wash comes in a huge bottle, so I would probably decant it, but then I'd still have to like take two separate products. So instead of taking two separate products, I could just rather take this one tube. And again, because it's a tube, I could like easily fit this in. It wouldn't even like spill or anything like that. The cap is pretty secure, so yeah, I don't have to worry about that. But yeah, this is my makeup removal step that I would carry, and one product would do both the steps for me. So once I was done with that, what I could do is, again, like I mentioned, just use my Phytofuse moisturizer in the morning, but then also at night. But if I'm not taking this and I'm taking this, then I do need to make sure to have a separate moisturizer for night, and that's when this would come into play. So this is the Plum Renewed Clarity Night Gel. You guys know I love this, and this is one that has AHAs and BHAs, I believe. Where is the ingredient list? I have totally forgotten if this has AHAs and BHAs. Yes, it has glycolic acid and it has willow bark extract as well. So yeah, perfect. It has AHAs and BHAs, and it does have fragrance, which I'm not the biggest fan of, which is why I don't use it every single time. But whenever I'm going out, which is like once every quarter or something like that, or maybe 2 times a quarter max, I don't mind using this. So yeah, that's when I tend to use this, and that's typically when I would use this. Also because it has AHAs and BHAs, if I am breaking out, or I think I'm going to break out, probably. Also a lot of times when we go out, we tend to eat more bad, like for example, if I'm having pizza, burger, junk, whatever, if I do tend to break out, then again this is going to also help with that, because it has AHAs and BHAs, and it is supposed to help with breakouts. And I personally feel like it does work, not instantly, but if you're using it regularly, you will notice an improvement in your breakouts. So then I would use these 3. Okay, I'm not able to hold this. Yeah, I would have these 4 instead of having the other 4 that I mentioned earlier. So that would be these 4. Yeah, so I would either have these 4 or I would have the other 4. So yeah, that would be it for my skincare routine. Again, like I mentioned, I could just do like these 2 steps: cleanse all the makeup and clean my face, and then put on moisturizer and just go to bed and not care about anything else. Truly not care about anything else. So yeah, those were the products that I would truly carry with me, just 2 or 3 things for each routine, and that would make a total of max 4 products. Again, the reason why I wanted to mention 3 different moisturizers, because again, I do feel like it would kind of depend, so I just wanted to mention all the possible options. And again, I feel like this video I'm posting literally at the perfect time, because in this month itself I'm gonna have 2 weekends out. So the weekend, not the weekend actually, but when this video goes live, either before that or after that, depending if this goes live on Friday or Tuesday, that weekend actually, that comes in between, is when I'm going to be at my Masi, so like my aunt's house, my cousin's house, and it's also his birthday the following weekend. So for 2 consecutive weekends we're going to be there. Of course, I'm going to go on the weekend and then come back, and then go on the next weekend and then come back. But yeah, 2 consecutive weekends I am going to be out, and I feel like these products are going to be my saviors, and kind of like what I used to take care of my skin during both of those weekends. So yeah, I feel like this video is literally coming, like I'm going to be posting this video at the perfect time. It is literally the perfect time where I can like share all these, because it's very relatable to what my life is behind. So yeah, that was the video. I don't want to continue blabbering on, even though I can totally do, but my voice is kind of going, I feel like, because I went to quite a few videos today. So yeah, anyways, that is that. Again, definitely let me know what are the products that you use when you travel. What are the essential steps that you cannot go out without, that you absolutely need to have like you need to have on you or with you all the time, definitely leave either the steps you can mention, or you can mention the specific products as well down below in the comment section. I would love to chat with you about it. But yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. Until next time, bye bye bye.